Hello students, I am going to start a same chapter 16.2 perimeter and area. I have done a question up to 8. Now I am going to start question number 9. In the adjoining figure, area of a triangle ABE, area of a triangle ABE is equal to the area of a parallelogram ABCD. Okay. If the altitude EF is 16 centimeter, this is a 16 centimeter long, find the length of the altitude of the parallelogram to the base AB. We are going to find that the altitude which is drawn on this one, similar altitude if you draw from this one also. On the base of AB, we want to find out the altitude, find the length of the altitude of the parallelogram to the base AB of length 10 centimeter. Its base is a 10 centimeter. What is the area of a triangle AMD? AMD. We want to find out the area of this triangle also. We want to find out the area of this triangle AMD. So we find out the altitude drawn on the base of AB in a parallelogram, that is a MN. This is the base MN. You can tell that MN. Okay. So we want to find out the length of this one MN, and we want to find out the area of a triangle AMD. We want to find out the area of a triangle AMD. So it is given that area of a parallelogram ABCD is equal to the area. It is a given that this is a given, students. Area of a parallelogram ABCD is equal to the area of a triangle ABE, and we know that the area of a triangle ABE is a 1/2. Base is multiplied by the height. 1/2. Base is a AB and height is a EF. 1/2, 10 is multiplied by 16. 2 ones are 2, 2 5, 2 8 are 16. We are getting it 80 centimeter square, and this is the area of a parallelogram ABCD. And we know that area of a parallelogram is also area of a parallelogram ABCD. Area of a parallelogram ABCD. And we know that area of a parallelogram is a base multiplied by height is equal to 80 centimeter. Base is a similar AB and its height is a MN is equal to 80. Base is a 10 and MN we are going to find out. MN is equal to 80 upon 10. What we get it? We are going to get this one. MN is equal to 8 centimeter. This is the altitude drawn on the base AB of a parallelogram ABCD. Of a parallelogram ABCD. Clear? We are getting this one as a 10 centimeter. And here it is given that M is the midpoint. And if this is a 10 centimeter, so what about this one? This is a 5 centimeter and this is a 5 centimeter also. So we want to find out the area of this triangle AMD. Its height is a, if we would draw the height of this one, its height is a 10, its height is a 8, sorry, not 10. Its height is a 8 centimeter, sorry. Height is given is 8 centimeter and the base is a 5 centimeter. For Now, for triangle AMD, MD is equal to 5 centimeter because M is the midpoint of CD. M is the midpoint of CD, and the height is equal to 8 centimeter. So the area of a triangle AMD is equal to 1 by 2 base multiplied by height. 1 by 2 base is a 5 and height is a 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. We are getting this 5 fours are 20 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. Area of this triangle AMD is 20 centimeter square. Altitude of a parallelogram, this height of a parallelogram is 8 centimeter, and this area of a triangle ABE is similar to the area of a parallelogram ABCD, that is a 80 centimeter square. So please complete it in your copy. Same as it is a question number 10 also. Complete this one. Question number 10. A rectangle is given. ABCD is a rectangle. In that one triangle is given. So first you find out the area of a rectangle, and from that area you can subtract the area of a rectangle. You will get the area of a side region. I think you can do this one. Now question number 11. I can do the second part of this question number 11. First you can try that one. If it is a problem, then I can do it later on. But I am going to do this one. Question number 11. It's the second part. So complete this question. This is your question number 11, second part. In the following figure, find the area of a saddle region. Our aim is to find the area of this saddle region CEF. Our aim is to find this area of this saddle region CEF. And it is given in the square ABCD, whose side is a 20 centimeter. Whose side is a 20 centimeter. So our aim is to find out the total area of this figure ABCD. For first figure, for figure square, for figure square ABCD is a square, side is equal to 20 centimeter. So its area is area of square ABCD is equal to side multiplied by side. Unit square, so 20 is multiplied by 20. We are getting it 400 centimeter square is the total area. So because it is a square, so all angles should be 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Okay. So if we subtract the area of this region and that region area, then we will get the area of a saddle region. And this is they are forming a triangle also, right angle triangle. So now for triangle A, for right angle triangle, for right angle triangle EAF base AE is given 10 centimeter and the height AF is given 10 centimeter. So area of a triangle EAF is equal to 1 by 2 base multiplied by height. So I am going to do it directly. So we are giving 50 centimeter square is the area of this region, area of this right angle triangle. Similarly, the area of a triangle, area for triangle EBC or CBE, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Angle B is equal to 90 degree. Base BE is equal to 10 centimeter and the height BC is equal to 20 centimeter. Area of a triangle CBE is equal to 1 by 2, 10 into 20. So I am getting it here. 100 centimeter square is the area of this part. Now I am going to talk about the area of this part. It is similarly because its base is a 10, its base is a 20 and height is a 10. So similarly the area of triangle CDF, area of a triangle CDF is equal to also 100 centimeter square because their dimension is similar for this triangle. Triangle CDF is similar to the triangle CDF, so it is also 100 centimeter square. Now we have finded out the area of this triangle and this one and that one. So from the total area, if we subtract these three areas, then we will get the area of a shaded region. So now can I erase this column? After this, I am going to write it outside. So the area of shaded region means triangle CEF is equal to area of a square minus sum of the areas of triangle EAF plus triangle CBE plus triangle CDF. So the area of a square is 400 minus 50 plus 100 plus 100. Now 400 minus 250. 100 plus 100 plus 50, we are getting 250. If we subtract this one, 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 3 minus 2, we are getting 1 centimeter. 150 centimeter is the area of a shaded region. So please complete this one. centimeter is the area of this shaded region. Some of the areas of a triangle, this one and that one. So we are getting it 50 plus 100 plus 100, 250, 400 minus 250, you will get it 150 centimeter square is the area of a shaded region. So please complete the remaining question with yourself. Now I am going to discuss some properties of circle, because the next exercise is based on a circle. How to find out the circumference, how you will find out the perimeter, semicircle, area of a circle. So please complete this one. A region bounded by a constant point, and that point is said to be the center, and all that point is said to be the locus of all that point is said to be a circle. A circle is the collection of all those points, says P in a plane such which is at a constant distance from a fixed point in that plane. Okay, so I think it is easy. This is the circle. This fixed point is called center, and the distance from one side of a fixed point is called a radius. And if any line which is passing through this point of the center and lying on the circumference of the circle is called a diameter. Diameter is a 2 times of the radius. Diameter is a 2 times of the radius. Our radius is a half of the diameter. Radius is a half of the diameter. Diameter by 2. If the diameter is 20, then radius is a 10 centimeter, 10 unit. If the radius is a 5, then diameter is a 10 unit. So circumference of the circle is, circumference we can use it, see, 2 pi r. Pi is the fixed value. Pi is equal to 22 by 7. R 3.14, we can use it basically 3.14. Pi is equal to 22 upon 7. R 3.14 approx. This value is approximate 3.14. Pi is a constant one. R is the radius. This is the circumference, and now the area of a circle is pi r square. Area of a circle is a pi r square. We can use this formula to find out first 10 or 10 question with the same formula. Find the circumference of the circle. You can do this one when the radius is given. Circumference is 2 pi r. You can use this formula. You can do this one. Second one is to find the area of a circle. I can do one question whose diameter is 49 meter. Question number second of exercise 16.3. Second part is this one. When the diameter is given 49 meter. So what about the radius? Radius is equal to diameter by 2. 49 by 2, and that is in meter. Diameter by 2. Okay, no problem. It is not going to cancel, or no need to cancel this one. Area of a circle is equal to pi r square. 22 by 7 into r. 49 by 2 whole square. So 22 by 7 into 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. 7 7 is 49. 2 11 is 22. Now nothing is going to be cancelled out. We can do this multiplication. 11. 7 is multiplied by 49. 7 9 is 63. 3 is there. 6 carry. 7 4 is 28. 28 and 6 34. Is multiplied by 11. So check one more time. 7 9 is 63. 6 carry. 7 4 is 28 and 6 34. And then it is multiplied by 11. 11 3 is 33. 11 4 is 44 plus 3 47. 4 is carry. 11 3 is 33 plus 4. Just wait. 11 3 is 33. 3 is carry. 11 4 is 40. 4 plus 3 47. 4 is carry. 11 3 is 33 and 4. 37 upon 2 meter square is our area, or you can change it to the decimal also. 1 1 1886.5 meter square is the area of this question. Solve this one. 1886.5 meter square is the area of this region. So complete this question. Now your homework is that to complete your question up to 5, and after that I can do this one, question number 6 to 18. I can do it in the next class. Okay. Till then, thank you students. If any problem, you can ask me your doubts, students, in the regular classes. When the classes is going to resume properly, then you can ask me all the doubts. I'm going to solve that one. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I can clear your doubts. Okay. Till that, thank you students.